To our school administrator, headed by our school president, Bishop Arnold S. Magtipa. Our beloved school directress, Reverend Evita P. Magtipa. Our dedicated assistant directors, Ma'am Joanna Rebecca M. Yampa. Our hardworking and compassionate school principal, Ma'am Maria Fanny R. Cortez. Our dynamic and committed teachers and staff. Our ever-supportive parents and guardians. Our fellow learners, movers, and most especially our graduated pupils. A blessed day to each and every one of you. Today marks a special milestone in our lives. It is with utmost joy and heartfelt gratitude that I warmly welcome all of you to our graduation ceremony. This day is not only a celebration of academic success, but also a tribute to the love, patience, and perseverance that brought us here. I know every parent here beams with pride, seeing their child shine brightly with joy, accomplishments, and new dreams. Our theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines, calls us to rise beyond our sins. It is more than a phrase. It is a challenge and invitation to all of us to become responsible, compassionate, and collaborative citizens. Together with unity as our foundation, we can build a better, kinder, and more hopeful future for our country. On the behalf of the graduating class of 2024 and 2025, I extend my deepest gratitude and warmest welcome to all. May this moment be the start of a remarkable journey filled with endless possibilities, learning, and purpose. Let us carry forward the lessons we've learned, the friendships we've built, and the values our school has instilled in us. May we continue to shine as lights of hope, unity in our communities and beyond. Once again, I'm Jomo Yosef A. Fernandez, sharing you this verse. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. Welcome and good afternoon.